Welcome to this Allinea tutorial video. The objective of this video is to enable memory debugging in Allinea DDT. When you activate memory debugging, by default Allinea DDT will try to preload a debugging library called dmalloc. This library wraps the calls made by the functions defined in the malloc library. It adds several checks and debugging mechanisms to help identify memory corruption made by your application. Note that this library checks the heap and not the stack. These dmalloc libraries are positioned in path to forge lib 64. In this directory you will find four files: libdmalloc.so, the debugging library for C and Fortran codes. It is not thread safe. libdmalloc.th.so, the thread safe version of the debugging library for C and Fortran codes. libdmalloc.xx.so, the debugging library for C++ codes. It is not thread safe. And libdmalloc.thxx.so, the thread safe version of the debugging library for C++ codes. We always recommend using the thread safe versions unless there's a good reason not to. If your binary is dynamically linked, and if your environment allows LD preload, there is almost nothing to do to activate memory debugging. Start Allinea DDT, and once the run dialog appears, enable memory debugging by ticking the appropriate box. Go to Memory Debugging Advanced, Setup in Allinea DDT. On the top right hand corner, you can select which dmalloc library you wish to use. Please also note the preload the memory debugging library tick box on the top left hand corner. It is enabled by default. If your binary is statistically linked, or if your environment does not allow LD preload, a small adjustment is necessary. In this case, untick the preload the memory debugging library and manually link your application to the libraries previously mentioned. This is usually done by modifying your makefiles accordingly. Once this is done, you can change the memory debugging options as you see fit. For instance, you can add memory debugging checks, enable guard pages, also known as electric fences, and more. Click on OK and run your program as usual. Allinea DDT will now track down memory errors and will provide you with more information regarding your code, including memory usage and memory statistics. Note that everything described in this video can also be done using the command line. This is necessary if you're using Allinea DDT in offline mode, for instance. Type ddt-help for more details, or check our user guide. If you face problems while linking the application with Allinea DDT memory debugging libraries, do not hesitate to contact your local support team or Allinea at support@allinea.com. Thank you for watching this video,